So let's start with a quick menu demonstration of what comes on the Sony Ericsson Satio. First thing first, messaging. This is the main 60 messaging, nothing new here, except that I've been noticing something with email handling, and it's the fact that it's showing folders here. I don't know if this is something new to the Satio or if I've been using Nokia messaging or Gmail a lot. The Java Gmail client. I haven't been using the included POP3 and IMAP client, so I don't know if this is something new or if something that has been here forever. But well, I noticed that it handles folders, so I have here all my labels from Gmail as well as the main inbox. So basically this is messaging. It has the regular inbox, nothing new, nothing improved, nothing different here. Then we have contacts, and it's the same except that there's no kinetic scrolling here, and if you want to search, you're gonna go through the regular search like with the 5800. So it gives you like contextual search. Then you have log, and this is basically the same as a 65th edition. Well, this is a 65th edition. We'll skip media for now. We'll go into the entertainment folder, and here we have radio track ID, which is basically like Shazam ID, if you know. So you start listening to music and it identifies it and tells you what the song is. Very efficient. And then you can tinker a little bit with see your saved results, or go into help, or do whatever you want to do with it. Then we have chat, which is basically the regular IM client. I tried to go into it and it started downloading IM Plus. I'm not sure if it's the same IM Plus that we know as a third-party application or not. Then you can record audio. You can go into Play Now, which is basically Sony's way of starting a slideshow or a music player randomly. And then you have the camera. We won't go into this right now. We'll go back. Then we have the internet, which opens the browser, and the browser is very similar to, well, it's the same as the one on the 5800. There's no kinetic scrolling here anywhere. And then let's see, I don't know, let's open Google, double tap, the page is open, and then you have the regular options pane here with some icons that are specific for Sony Ericsson, but they're the same as the ones on the 5800's browser. So here you can try start tapping a new web address. Nope. Okay, I guess here start typing a new web address to go into a new web address, and then you have here nowhere to zoom, so you can go in and out. Nothing fancy. Oh, going out of it. Nothing fancy in terms of the internet browser. We have the location folder, and this is where it starts to get interesting. We have this that gives us the position, the GPS data, and the favorite locations, which are some things that we find on S60 regularly. Then instead of having Nokia Maps, because this isn't a Nokia, we have Google Maps that is built in. And unfortunately, or well, maybe this is only a prototype problem, but I tried downloading the new Google Maps version that has the layers, and I couldn't because it told me that update failed when it started installing over this version that it comes built in. So this is a version that comes on the Satio. I can't update to the new one, or at least on this unit that I have right now. But it comes built in, which is, well, kinda nice, and it has many of the options like the location sharing stuff. Then we have Voice Pilot, which is also Sony Ericsson's, which it comes built bundled with the device. And well, here this is like a full a drive navigation program where you can find places near you, or some contacts, address, businesses and stuff like that, as well as see your favorites. I don't have any right now. Show on the map, so you can see your current location on the map. It's downloading them. The maps aren't built in, so this is a major downside to the application per se, but right now loaded it. I'm normally here, so it isn't very far away. This is where I live. And more allows you to, well, let's see what more allows you to do. Trip report, as well as see the weather. You aren't seeing wrong, everything is in black and white, and I wonder why this kills it for me. The icons are very nice, the design is very nice, but it's black and white, and it feels like you've just gone into 1960 when you open this application. And then we have here the settings for Wise Pilot, and you can like change the general settings, stuff like that. So the time, the distance, and whatever you want to do. I haven't been using it a lot because, well, basically I don't have a car and I don't drive around Paris, so I don't need it and I can't test it, basically. Would you like to exit? Yep. Okay. So this is Wise Pilot. Basically it's good to know that there's something that comes bundled in with the Sony Ericsson and you can use it. This, as we said, was the location folder. Then we have the calendar, which is regular S60 calendar. I'm not a big user of calendars, so probably not the best person to talk to about getting your PIM applications and stuff. Then we have the organizer, and here we have a lot of applications that we see on regular Nokia 60 devices. So we have Adobe PDF, we have Quick Office. So this is a trial version. And Quick Office is also well, read only. Okay, see, it's a read only version, so you can only read, you can't edit documents. Then we have Google Search, which we have seen on the main home screen. We have the File Manager, regular File Manager. You can see the phone memory left, as well as what's left on the memory cards right now. I have some audio recordings on the phone memory, so that's why it's not very empty. We have the clock and notes, regular S60 notes application. Converter, same as a 60. Calculator, I don't know if this is a new one or not. I'm not very sure. I basically never use the built-in calculator. I always download something from third-party applications that allows me to do other functions than plus, minus, and divide. This is Road Sync, and well, Database uses Microsoft Exchange. As I said, I don't have Microsoft Exchange, so I really don't I couldn't test it in any way. Then we have, this is the search function, and it searches inside the phone, whereas Google Search searches on the internet. So this is searches for file inside the phone, and you can tinker with the settings for this one. Then we have help, obviously.